guys, Chaotic Yeba here, and today we're going to be unboxing Perplekiss's first mini album, their debut album, Into Violet. I'm so excited because it finally got here after a few shipping delays, but we're here! So here's the album. So freaking excited. You have no idea. Okay, so, oh, here's the back as well. So let's open her up. Oh. Ah. Why won't this box open? I just want to look at what's inside. Okay. Oh, that's so cool. It's like a gift box. Ooh, that must be the extras on the bottom. Let me take those out real quick. Okay, I've taken them out. They're just on the side, flipped side down, so I don't know what they are. So let's take a look at the first item here, which I think is the CD. Ooh, there's like a little nice embossing over here. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's got the Perplkiss insignia on it. Okay, let's open that up. Oh, come on. Come on. Okay. Oh, wow! It's very simple, but very pretty and elegant. Into Violet. That's really pretty. Okay, put that on the side. Okay, next we've got the photo book, I believe. Oh, see there's nothing down there except just the rest of the box. Oh, just realized the back of the photo book has their emblem as well. Ooh. Let's see. Oh, that's so cool. That's so pretty. Wow. Really loving the nail art and the rings. Ooh, all of them together. Oh, they all look so cool. The purple hair on her is so nice. Oh, right, Dozy. When I saw that she had cut her hair and dyed it blonde, I was, as they say, shook. She looks so good. I was really surprised though, because pre-debut, like, she had long hair and I was like, huh? What happened? She's really rocking it though. It looks so good on her. Oh, hooray. I really like the blonde on her as well. I feel like they all could actually probably don blonde and they'd still look all really good. Ah, Yuki! I really love her and Swan. I mean, I love all the girls, but then if I had to choose, like, my top two. Oh, Chang. Oh. Ah, Swan. I'm kind of hoping that the photo cards that I get in there, I'm hoping one is maybe Swan, hopefully. Oh, their crowd intro is so good. Like, if you haven't seen the choreo video for it, you need to go watch it, like, right now. You, like, pause this and go, because it's so good. Actually, honestly, aside from Mamamoo, I think Perplekiss's, like, this album, it's, I can't even speak right now. Like, all of the songs, basically, on this album are amazing. And I feel like Mamamoo is the only other group that I've been able to say that about their albums. It's amazing for a group that just debuted. They are so talented. RBW really blessing us with such amazing artists. Ah! This one. Well, that's the end of the photo book. Oh, it's so good. Okay, so let's look at the extras. So the first thing we have, oh, what is, oh, it's a sticker sheet. It's like there's 2 little stickers on each. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, the second item we've got, oh, it's like a little ticket stub. That's so cool. Oops. Oh, look at them all together. That's so nice. Okay, we're on to the photo cards. Okay, the first one. Who's it gonna be? It's Yuki! It's Yuki! Yay! The back. Oh, I really like her signature. Okay, and our second one is, please. Oh my god, it is one! Oh my gosh, so excited. Oh, her signature is so cute. Oh, what the heck? Oh, this is so exciting. Okay, so I also have 2 other items. Because I managed to pre-order it from Bizent literally the day that the pre-orders went up. So you also get like a postcard, or yeah, postcard shaped, sized, yes, of course it's shaped like a postcard, postcard with all of the girls. And there's also, oh, I'm gonna have to zoom out. Ah, wrong way. You also get a poster. This is like going on my wall right away. You have no idea. They look so good. Okay, so we have the sticker sheet, the ticket, the 2 photo cards, the CD. Then you have the photo book, can't speak, too excited, and the case. And then if you pre-ordered from Bizent a little early, you've gotten the photo card, no, not the photo card, the postcard, and then the poster as well, but that's too big to put into the frame. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe leave a comment below. Bye for now!